Up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today this is going to be a special day today that I'm going to give you guys like a POV. I'm taking you guys along with me for the ride, and we're about to tackle the mountains. We are actually about to go to Mexico today in this Camaro, but first I need to move my daily. Still start up like brand new. Okay, time to start up the car that you guys care about most, which is this one. She's a little bit dirty, but that's okay. She still get the job done. Yes, sir. So since we had a quarter tank, I guess the best thing to do for us is to like get a nice little pull. So why not a little second gear pull for y'all? Ooh, I had to get out that second gear. Tire still squirrely. Yes, sir. Let's warm them up a little bit. The less gas I use, the less gas in the tank, I should say, the more I gotta pay at the pump, because it's all about miles per gallon. Okay, how much is E today? $2.79? That's not bad, man. What? $43 to fill up on E? I like that, man. That's why I like running E, because if I was running 91, like 91 today out here is about, what's that, 369, 370, and we're not doing that. We're not doing that at all. This is one of the reasons why I like Arizona, and because I get to go to Mexico all the time. And as I enter Mexico, it's always these nice long straightaways, and then you got this nice mountain view, and then look, they got these passing lanes. I don't know if y'all see this based on the camera, but I got these nice passing lanes, and people will slow down and let you get over. These two cars go by. We about to get a nice pull for you guys. I love going to Mexico, man. It's just phenomenal. But before I do anything crazy, the more crazy stuff, let's check to see like how the tires doing, because we can't go crazy. Oh yeah, see, the tires is cool. We can't do it that much right now because the tires are cool. They got to get to normal because it's some crazy back roads, man, to get to Mexico. One thing about going to Mexico, which is nice, you got the views on views, and that's what I'm all about advocating right now, is the views, man, because the views going to Mexico is nice because you got to go through this mountain, and this is only one of many ways to get to Mexico. We're not going to cross into the border specifically, like going over there deep into there, but I'm at least show you guys what it looks like. It's a lot of traffic on the back road today to Mexico. It's a lot of traffic back here today. But we still gonna have fun though. Y'all get to come with me and enjoy these nice back roads. And y'all look to the right over there, that's part of, it's a small city, but you can see like Mexico. Ooh, just listen to the car ring. Like as we coming down here, you can kind of see like Mexico in the far distance though. And last time I went down here, like I didn't go fully into Mexico, but I was riding with my boy Tommy. Shout out to Tommy, man, with the black ZL1 1LE. We was down here. Like you can see Mexico like in the distance. So it's kind of nice. We was out here driving. We was almost there, but we didn't go fully. But we saw a cop was heading our way. And you know, like we car enthusiasts out here and we love the back roads. He just flashed his lights, told us to like slow down because it was a construction coming up, so that's what's pretty dope. And then also, like this is something that I am not used to here. Like coming from Michigan, like it drops down to 45, but like check this out though. It just gets slower and slower. Like this is a checkpoint. Usually I see this stuff like on TV, but I am not used to like seeing a checkpoint like right here, like live in his flesh, man. Let me just drop the window down so you can actually see this. Like, this is crazy. Like, look at that, man. Like, nobody is there. Border Patrol is not there. Oh, there's one Border Patrol guy there. But that's just crazy, like, seeing that. I am not used to seeing the checkpoint coming from Michigan, man. And they really cool, though. Like, I haven't got pulled over by Border Patrol. Fingers crossed, man. But Border Patrol don't be messing with me out here. So that's pretty dope. So we're gonna go to the halfway point. I'm about to show you guys, because at the very tail end of this, it's only one gas station. Just listening to America sing, man. The American muscle. I need to slow down, because like the tires are still cool. I don't know why they're still cool, man, and I'm still having fun. So maybe the closer I get, the better it gets, but I'm not gonna act too crazy though. All right, y'all, this is what I call like the halfway mark. But I feel like the window is dirty, man, so that's why I stopped here. Not gonna get like gas or anything, but just like look at the window, man. I can't believe I'm doing my car like this, man, going on the drive. But I knew it was gonna get dirty anyway, and then I'm waiting for my clay bar to come in, so that is why I haven't been caring lately, man. But this is the I could say like this the halfway mark. I would say a little bit here. Just a little mini mark over there. It's a country store, Sonota. Like, for my people out east, like, I consider this like a small, like, old Cracker Barrel. That's the best thing I can like think about it or say about it in there. They sell like deli food and stuff like that, and that's something I'm gonna say. Like, out here, like the smallest like spots, like the hole in the wall, man, spots be having like the best food. No cap, man, no cap at all. And then like behind this mini mart is the actual Border Patrol like station right here. So not too many action, not too much crazy stuff is happening over here. So now we done got this window. Now we're gonna keep going. Sheesh, it's a lot. People is on these back roads heading to Mexico, boy. All these small little towns, man. Trying to hit some corners. The tires are warming up, I can tell. Let's see, are we clear? Because I'm almost close, but I don't want to be too close to the... Yeah, we almost close to construction, so I'm not gonna go too crazy with it though. Oh wow, look at this deer. Y'all see that? That was crazy. It was a deer. That's my very first time seeing those run around out here. Didn't know they exist. But you see how nice he was? He let me get over. Well, he went over so then I can go around him. But so happened it was a deer. Like, that never happens. That's like the first time. So maybe they know I'm filming. The deer was like, hey, let's say hey, let them know we out here. We out here. This little small town, I'm just stopping here just to give you guys like a realistic view, like how far I am from like, or how close I am to Mexico. So like if I got the map going, like this is a very small town. I know y'all can see that. Like it's called like Patagonia. Damn, she sounding good. I really like how she sounds. But like Mexico, if I'm following this all the way down, it's like right there. Like that is where Mexico is, like crazy. I'm not even too far from there. There go the airport. And they got some nice little roads, so I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going there and checking it out. But I just wanna just show you that this is a little small town, little small western town down this way. I haven't been down here chilling, but this is just a spot that I like take pictures and say, hey, I've been here and I know where I'm at. This is like one of my spots I check in. Yeah, they got a tourist section over there, but I really don't go there like that. All right, y'all, so it's official. Like, your boy is right here. I'm not gonna go too close to the border because I don't want to mess with Border Patrol like that, man, and just saying, oh yeah, I'm playing around, I'm doing video. But your boy is here. Your boy actually done went to Mexico. To the left of me, right here, that's all Mexico, man. Like, that's what's crazy. Going, all of that back there is Mexico. So you know your boy's gonna have to step out and say, look, your boy has officially took the Camaro to Mexico, at least close as possible. Everybody else saying they went to Mexico, we going to Mexico, but your boy officially made it to Mexico, I guess, kinda. But I'm down here chopping, I'm down here representing, I'm down here in the back roads like I'm supposed to, and that's what's dope, man. I'm shocked that I'm this close, and I don't see a wall. Like, I guess I'll see a wall closer that I get on the other side here, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm not gonna go too far down there. I'm about to pull over for a thumbnail, even though I'm close to this joint. But you know your boy gotta pull over for a thumbnail. I have to. Like, this is considered like their international airport. You see what they say? Please report if you see any illegal activity. But I'm just gonna turn around, get a picture for the thumbnail right here. That's it. Nothing too crazy. Just, I want a picture so I can say I've been to Mexico and I'm at the Nogales airport. So if you get to Nogales or Nogales, y'all, for my Hispanic people, you know, drop a comment below. Am I saying it right? Is it Nogales or Nogales? Like, so let me know. But let me get a picture for YouTube. Let's step out as we next to this plane here. It just remind me. I'm not trying to sound like stereotypical, but it do remind me of like watching those like Pablo Escobar's, those like early like cocaine cowboys type of setup, looking at those planes, man. I'm not trying to sound like that, man. I'm not a racist. It's just, that's just the movies I've been watching, those cartels. So that is going to wrap this video up. I'm gonna wrap it up with like going on some more back roads so you guys can enjoy me, follow me there. But this is it. That whole background, that whole scenery right there is Mexico. So your boy officially have made it to Mexico. Took a picture at the lovely Nogales International Airport. This is like, it's small, isn't it? Like, this is a small international airport. Like, and it's crazy because you got the sun right there and you got the moon, if y'all can see it, like slightly pointed right there. So yeah, so let me snap a picture for this thumbnail for you guys, man. Oh yeah, just to prove y'all, you know I like to show receipts a little bit, but yeah. This is it right here, man. Crazy, right? All right, bye-bye Mexico. Do a pull if we close to Mexico. Got to. Coming from Detroit, I mean, I was close to the Canadian border, like going to Windsor. So I used to go to Windsor all the time back when I was in college and stuff like that. Most people just go to Canada if you're on the Michigan side because of the alcohol limit. That's why back in college it was a popular thing. Like, if I remember, like, Canada allow you to drink at like 18, if I remember correctly, versus the US is 21. So that's why it was a thing back then to go to Canada. So if you're ever in Detroit, there you go. I hope you guys enjoy a little bit of Mexico yourself too, and look like I'm gonna have a fun time home, dodging all these cars to get home, man. So if you guys enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.